This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Extreme video. This is for Friday, December 19th. I'm James Spann. Wet weather tonight across Alabama. As we start the weekend, we'll check some of the Skycam shots this afternoon. A gray, chilly December day. That's coming from Trussville. No rain so far, but it is raining over West Alabama. That's a Skycam up in the Tennessee Valley at Huntsville. Cloudy there. And a cloudy day down at Gulf Shores. That's our Skycam on top of the Phoenix All Suites. They had rain this morning. More rain is moving in as we speak. Pretty nice shortwave coming through Texas, and that's producing the inclement weather across the Deep South. This was the radar at 2:28. At that point, rain was just moving into Tuscaloosa. Better rains falling over parts of Greene and Sumter counties. That'll keep on moving northeast, and everybody should see rain at times tonight and early tomorrow. Pretty cool, upper 40s for the most part around here. Birmingham at 48. Even colder up north, it's only 41 for Haleyville and Coleman. And hard to find any sunshine across the state today. Around the nation, I would say temperatures are seasonal. Right before Christmas, 20s up north. And again, down here, mostly 40s and 50s. For travelers, a relatively quiet pattern across the nation this evening. Just a few winter storm watches over the mountains out west. And some flash flooding issues for the upper Pacific coast, including Seattle and Portland, but that's about it. This is the overall rain for the next 5 days down our way, the bigger numbers. And by the way, this is through Wednesday evening of next week. The bigger numbers over Florida, South Georgia, extreme South Alabama. In our state, the amounts around 1/2 inch here, with bigger totals down to the south. Check the modeling. This is the GFS. This is the 12Z run valid at noon tomorrow, and this is at 500 millibars. The wave that brought the rain tonight is on by, and again, the rain should be over early tomorrow. We figure the rain will be ending sometime between 6 and 8 o'clock tomorrow morning for most places, and we might see a little clearing tomorrow afternoon, and the high should be in the middle 50s. This is Sunday. A new wave is forming in the Gulf, but the daytime Sunday should be dry and warmer. A good chance we'll see a high close to 60 on Sunday afternoon. Maybe a few intervals of sunshine, but the clouds will thicken Sunday night, and that wave begins to move northeast. That could bring some light rain in here late Sunday night, maybe Monday morning. This is Monday at noon, suggesting maybe some light rain for the eastern half of the state. I think the better chance of rain with this wave will be east of I-65 and maybe even south of Interstate 20 Sunday night into Monday morning. And no cold air involved in this thing. In fact, Monday, a chance we go up into the mid-60s. And Tuesday, the latest run here of the GFS is suggesting a high of 69. Got a deep surface low near Chicago with a front coming in. And again, this might open the door for some active storms Tuesday afternoon or Tuesday evening. So be aware of that. This is Tuesday night at midnight. The line of storms on to the east. Colder air begins to rush in. And this is Wednesday. Very strong trough digging through here. Very low thickness values. Should be a colder day. But again, understand, this is not cross-polar air from Siberia. This is more modified polar air. So despite those low thickness values, we're expecting a high in the upper 40s on Wednesday, but a pretty good north wind. Clouds lingering much of the day. Then for Christmas Day on Thursday, looks very nice. Lots of sun. We start the day around the freezing mark, around 30. And the high should be in the mid-50s on Christmas afternoon with a bright sunny sky. Should be a very nice late December day. And a week from today, Friday the 26th, that looks dry. This is Saturday the 27th. This is coming off the European, having some model output issues, data flow issues. So I'm not going to have a lot of graphics in the long range to show you, but this is suggesting rain could return that following weekend around Saturday, December 27th. And this is the end of the forecast period for the European on Monday the 29th. That just looks cold and dry. That's 6 a.m., showing the freeze line just below Birmingham. Temperatures coming off the GFS ensemble. You can see the cool down for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. And then the last week of December, the week after Christmas, looks pretty chilly with highs in the 40s and lows in the 20s. And again, evidence of the Arctic Oscillation trending negative toward the end of the month, and the North Atlantic Oscillation trending at least neutral. And that certainly could open up the door for colder air down in here later this month. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. My next video will be here Monday morning at 7 o'clock. Brian Peters, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders. We'll have the video updates tomorrow and Sunday. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.